Hi. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm looking at the pros and cons of using pallet wood in the garden, following my own experience using it over the past several years. So the first positive, it's cheap, or better still, free. And that's pretty straightforward. Reason number two why pallet wood is a good choice for in the garden is it's readily available. Most places, retail, building sites, farmyards, construction sites, all will have pallets. Pro number three is regardless whether it's hardwood or softwood, if you've got a decent saw, it's pretty easy to get through. But remember to wear a mask and goggles, safety first. We want vegetable beds, not a trip to the hospital bed after all. Pro number four is the lifespan of pallet wood is 3 to 5 years. Now that could be deemed a negative, but considering it's free or close to free, that's not too bad. And if you've got a lining between the soil and the wood, that'll extend its lifespan. And if you've got gravel between the base of the wood and the ground, that will give you a few more years as well. Now most pallets these days aren't treated with pesticides, but to be sure of that you'd want to look out for markings that say HT or KT, which mean heat treated or kiln treated, meaning heat is used to kill any pests present, rather than nasty chemicals like methyl bromide, which isn't in use anymore, but some pallets may exist in circulation that have something like that. And speaking of cons, the first one would be basically the maneuverability of pallets. Moving them about can be a bit awkward, especially if you haven't got specialist equipment. And secondly, splinters. And not only splinters, but nasty nails too. And not only nails, but nasty ass rusty nails, which, speaking of ass, can be a pain in the ass to get out unless you've got specialist tools. I normally just cut around them. As I said previously, the 3 to 5 year lifespan can be also viewed as a con, and that's because after that amount of time has elapsed, rain and water damage can start to rot the untreated pallet wood, which invites along fungus, and they start getting to work breaking it down, and even the aforementioned lining can be affected. So there's certainly some things to consider. They are the pros and cons in my experience of using pallet wood in the garden, and that's all I have for this time. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, I appreciate you doing so. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, take care, thanks for watching, Slán.